Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to the second week of Spoiler Alert. So, Sunday night was season 8, episode 2 of Game of Thrones, and yeah, this episode, it did kind of little, tranquil and all, and little something there. You never have a heap of fighting and all, like killing. It is the calm before the storm. But, yeah, let us jump into that review. Alright, so one of my first highlights is this moment between Jaime and Bran. Now, when Jaime did their attack and all kind of things, I try to play theme case, Bran just interrupt everything and shell down the place with peace by saying,
"The things we do for love."
It's all coming back to be there.
Then my next highlight moment was the moment where Tomon did a share how he got so big and strong.
That's how I got so strong. Giant's milk.
But all of that strength and it still can't get a brain. Brian only want one man in her life like Gaza Slim, and that is Jaime.
Baby, me no one, no other man.
And then my next stop moment was between Dany and Sansa. Now, Dany stepped to Sansa now. I try to kind of get her to just kind of cooperate with her and understand, say, yo, she is the one that the helm and she need to fall to her feet. But Sansa was like, dirty girl, I don't know where you come from, but me there before you.
And we said we'd never bow to anyone else again.
No girl can see down for me.
The Iron Throne.
And then my next stop moment is where Sam got roasted. No, Sam just make a little company, having casual conversation. The man talk about his prowess and this brother still find the time and the energy to just rubbish all of the man's accomplishments.
As if we needed any more signs the world was ending.
So Jon has been struggling trying to come to grips with the fact that he is the rightful heir to the Iron Throne. Me Cashpot, can you believe it that after Jon Snow finally muster up the courage to go and tell Dany that him and I related, that she is him auntie and him is our nephew, that this is the first thing that come to fear mind?
You'd have a claim to the Iron Throne.
My girl, you and your nephew did a saka do like.
How convenient is that? Wow.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my lotto draw. So, the ultimate, my favorite highlight moment of season 8, episode 2, definitely, it have to be the moment where Arya officially became a woman.
Oh, yeah.
So, me I watch episode, everything I go on okay. Me and Arya does a pre-Gendry. Me I say, no man, Arya, how you move like one little conductor when them say like a girl step out in a half a tree and one leggings? She just a pre the man with this level of thirst and a question him. Like, Arya approach Gendry as some role reversal type or something there, because Arya now step to him like the traditional way or you expect, a woman for go on. Arya step to him like, yo, Ewa, yo, where you pan? You have a man?
We're probably going to die soon. I ought to know what it's like before that happens.
But yes, I understand that it might have been her last day to, do something like this, but Arya, we are watching you for 8 seasons now. As a little girl, and you're going to grow up and just dash out up on TV, like the little all I see like side boob and like Arya, oh my god.
I may be young, but I'm ready.
So that is it for my favorite moments of season 8, episode 2, Game of Thrones. And we have to say this is powered by SV Games. Make sure you go and play responsibly. The registration link is going to be in our description. So now let me just jump into the spoiler alert competition.
And yes guys, check out last week's winner, Karizi Baby, collecting her GOT merchandise and party package courtesy of Supreme Ventures.
So here what folks, I'm not going to give out a prize for this week because I changed the rules of the competition. No, I've been listening to Uno feedback and enough of them realize that Uno want to enter but Uno don't want to submit no video because kind of thing and everybody else filter up on them phone for kind of, you know the strips. So I am going to make it easier for you. If you are a Game of Thrones fan and you want to enter, all you have to do is just put a tweet with the hashtag SVLGOTSA of what you think will happen in the episode of Game of Thrones. It can be a comment on one of my Instagram recap videos of Game of Thrones about what you think is going to happen in the next episode. So simple as that. You can just tweet it, you can send a message to me, however way, as long as it gets to me with the hashtag SVLGOTSA. Well, that is it everyone. Thank you so much for watching Spoiler Alert powered by SV Games. You can share your comments down below and let me know what you think will happen in episode 3. Just put the hashtag CivilGatsa. Okay, hard people, make sure that you follow me on all of my social media, then on Twitter especially at DuttyBerryShow, so you can join into the Twitter conversation with me and watch Game of Thrones. Follow Supreme Ventures on Instagram, Supreme Ventures, it is right here, so yeah. Okay people, take care until next time.